Students, we are starting our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. First of all, we will know about Cartesian coordinate axis. As you know that when you draw the horizontal line on a graph paper and the vertical line on a graph paper, then these two lines meet at a point, and this point is known as origin, that is O. And this horizontal line x o x dash and this vertical line y o y dash, both these lines are mutually perpendicular to each other through the point O in the plane of a graph paper. Okay, now this horizontal line x dash o x is called the x-axis or the axis of x, and this vertical line y dash o y is known as y-axis or axis of y. The two lines x dash o x and y dash o y taken together are called the coordinate axis or the axis of the coordinates, and this point O is called the origin. Now we see that there are four regions are formed. First region is your XOY, so we called it as first quadrant. The second region is your x dash OY, so we called it as second quadrant. The third region is your x dash OY dash, so we called it as third quadrant. And the fourth region is your y dash OX, so that's why we called it as fourth quadrant. So we see that the two axes x o x dash and y o y dash divide the region into four quadrants. Okay, now we move further to know about what are the signs in these four quadrants. So we will learn about convention of sign. In the first quadrant, x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. In the second quadrant, x is lesser than 0 and y is greater than 0. In the third quadrant, x is lesser than 0 and y is also lesser than 0. And in the fourth quadrant, x is greater than 0 and y is lesser than 0. That's why in the first quadrant we have written x coordinate as positive and y coordinate as positive. In the second quadrant, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. In the third quadrant, both x coordinate and y coordinate are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Now, if we want to see the position of a point in the Cartesian plane, so we will learn about Cartesian coordinates of a point. Let x dash o x and y dash o y be the coordinate axes. You can see x dash o x and y dash o y. These are the coordinate axes. And let P be any point. You can see this point P in the plane of the paper. Now we will draw PM perpendicular to x dash o x and this PN perpendicular to y dash o y. Now the length of the line segment OM is called the x coordinate. The length of the line segment OM, you can see, is called the x coordinate or abscissa of a point P. And the length of the directed line PN, here you can see it is also perpendicular to the y-axis. PN is perpendicular to y-axis, is called the y-coordinate or ordinate of a point P. Now you can see OM is your 3 units, okay, and ON is your 5 unit. Then the x-coordinate or abscissa of a point P is 3, and the y-coordinate or ordinate of point P is 5, and we say that the coordinate of a point P are 3, 5. Thus, for a given point P, the abscissa and ordinate are the distances of the point P from y-axis and x-axis respectively. Now, suppose if we want to take a point on x-axis, this is your x-axis. If we want to take a point on this x-axis, then the distance of this point from x-axis is 0, and therefore the ordinate of this point is also 0. Thus the ordinate or y-coordinate of every point on x-axis is 0, and the coordinate of a point on x-axis are of the form x, 0. Similarly, if we take a point on y-axis, then its distance from y-axis is 0, and therefore the x-coordinate or the abscissa of this point is 0, and thus the abscissa or x-coordinate of every point on y-axis is 0, and the coordinate of a point on y-axis are of the form 0, y, and we know that the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. So any point on this y-axis, it will be of the form 3, 0, 0, 3, sorry, or you can say 0, y. And every point on this x-axis, it will be, suppose this is your 5, 0, or you can say x, 0. So on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. I have taken an example 0, 3 here on y-axis, and on x-axis I have taken an example 5, 0. Now see the definitions. Clearly we know that if we take a point on x-axis, then the distance of this point from x-axis is 0, and therefore the ordinate of this point is 0. Thus the ordinate or y-coordinate of every point on x-axis is 0, and the coordinate of a point on x-axis are of the form x, 0. Similarly, if we take a point on the y-axis, then its distance from y-axis is 0, and therefore the x-coordinate or abscissa of this point is 0. Thus the abscissa or x-coordinate of every point on y-axis is 0, and the coordinate of a point on y-axis are of the form 0, y. And we know that the coordinate of the origins are taken as 0, 0. This is the introduction of coordinate geometry. Thank you.